Happy Saturday, folks. Farmer Mike at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, and we have some people in the community out visiting us today, so we're going to serve them up some of our classic crimson watermelon right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this baby like so. Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is right there. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to knock these ends off. We're going to slice it up. Slice it up. Nice chunks. Nice size. Nice size chunks. Hot today. Hot day today in Kansas City. Cool off everybody. Watermelon. I'm taking care of. Nothing like a seeded watermelon. This watermelon's over 10 bricks, sugar. Gonna love it. Classic, old school. Back in the day, watermelon at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. Some good slices. Big slices. On Vine Street in the Jazz District, where it lives.